Core and Explore investing is just one example of an overall portfolio management philosophy that investors might employ. It's sometimes also called core and satellite. The core involves taking the bulk of your portfolio, for example, 75%, and putting it into a relatively set it and forget it strategy. And the Explore or satellite could be using a more hands-on approach for the remaining 25%. There are a number of ways you could do this. For example, let's say you have $25,000 to invest. You might put $20,000 in a Smartfolio account that puts the bulk of your overall portfolio on autopilot. When you set up your account, you'll answer a few questions about your goals for this money, your time horizon, your tolerance for risk, and more. Once you've set it up, you don't really have to be involved much going forward. You're paying someone else to handle the setup, monitoring, and rebalancing of that pot of money for you. But you could take the remaining $5,000 and put it into individual stocks. Perhaps you have a few particular companies that you are interested in and want to invest in. You could set up an InvestorLine self-directed account and place the trades yourself. In this example, $20,000 would be in our core and $5,000 in our Explore. A ratio of 80% core and 20% Explore. But there are other options as well. Here's another example. You could set up a core and Explore strategy inside one InvestorLine self-directed account or an Advice Direct account. Maybe you have $100,000 to invest. You can use a single portfolio ETF to get a globally diversified, balanced core with perhaps $75,000 of your account, and then use the remaining $25,000 to pick individual stocks. Core and Explore investing can be a great way to make sure that the bulk of your money is invested according to a disciplined set of rules, while also allowing you to invest a portion of your money in a different strategy. Not all investors use a Core and Explore method. Some investors might choose to be 100% Explore, and others may prefer to put their entire portfolio on autopilot. The choice is yours.